This recipe is for an einkorn chocolate cake with a really rich fudgy frosting. Start by combining some cocoa powder with some hot coffee or some hot water. Then stir in some sour cream. Now once that's blended, stir in your sugar. Now I'm using coconut sugar, but you can use regular sugar if you like. Then stir in some oil, give that a good stir, and add the vanilla extract. After that's whipped up, add your eggs one at a time. Make sure the eggs are thoroughly mixed before you add the next one, and give that batter a good stir. Now next I'm going to use a sifter because all-purpose einkorn flour can get really lumpy. So put the sifter over your bowl, add the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt to the sifter and give that a good shake until all the lumps are free from that sifter and they're in your bowl. Give the bowl a good stir. You don't have to worry too much about over mixing this batter because you really don't have a lot of gluten development with einkorn flour. So stir it up really well and pour it into an 8x8 pan. Slide the pan into the oven and then grab a bowl to make this amazing fudgy frosting. Add some chopped chocolate, cream, butter, and a pinch of salt to a bowl, then zap that in the microwave for a few minutes. Give it a good stir, and when the chocolate is about 75 to 80% melted, cover it up and let it finish melting really slowly. Next, you're going to stir in some vanilla extract. Now, at this stage, the frosting is going to be really loose, but if you set it aside for about an hour, it'll cool down to room temperature and it's going to have a real thick, spreadable consistency. If the frosting gets too cold, it's going to be too difficult to spread. But if that happens, just zap it in the microwave for 1 or 2 seconds. It really doesn't take very long at all. And give it a good stir, and then it'll be back to this real thick, spreadable consistency again. Enjoy!